IT issues slow you down. But with ISTT's managed IT services, you can simplify IT management and keep business running smoothly. Supporting over 15,000 end users, we take care of IT so you can focus on what matters most. Need support? ISTT resolves IT issues in just 12 minutes. Plus, our overnight help desk ensures after-hours problems don't disrupt your business. Minimize downtime with fast troubleshooting and expert resolution. Get all the IT services you need, from seamless Wi-Fi and cloud management to complete IT support. We handle everything, so your team stays productive. Anytime, anywhere support means fewer disruptions and proactive issue resolution before they impact your operations. Expert IT assistance ensures users stay happy and efficient. We align IT with your business goals, get unbiased guidance on strategy, and optimize budgets, security, and tech upgrades to stay ahead. Our 24/7 monitoring, 113+ companies supported, and 25+ years of IT expertise. That's the ISTT advantage. Discover what our clients have to say about how ISTT's managed IT services transformed their businesses, keeping them efficient, secure, and ahead of the curve. Take the stress out of IT, contact ISTT today and experience worry-free IT management.